Hello everybody. Now welcome to the second part of our video. What you are making right now is a sunbed set of furnitures. This will comprise of a large sunbed, which is around 2-seater, which is 2 meters by 39 inches. That is the dimension. Then the small ones will be 39 inches, which means it's a meter square. So right now we are trying to fabricate stands which will be used for the support of round bar 6. This kind of chair will have a mesh kind of a framework. So what will happen is after the frames have been made, we usually paint. We apply several coats of paint. Thereafter, we also start weaving the frames with cane. The kind of cane that we use for this is called binding, because we don't use the round one. That one is specifically meant for twining chairs, and we always use the first quality binding cane, which is very, very good for seats and baskets, and you can also use it for matting. As you can see right now, our welder is trying to reinforce the support. These supports will be used for making the mesh all around the seats. As you can see, we usually make sure they are all evenly shaped. As you can see right now, this guy is busy shaping the round bar. The round bar here that he's using is called R8. The R8 now will be used for the supports of these chairs. So you can see he's trying to bend it, because we have to make sure all the edges are well bent, such that when you attach the frames, there will be no challenges. We also make sure they're all evenly cut. As you can see, what he's trying to do right now. Yeah, that is what he's trying to do right now. So we also make sure the supports for these chairs is about 10 inches long. As you can see right now, he's trying to weld that. This is usually the first step before we start making the mesh with 6mm. So first we have to use the 8mm round bar. So you can see now we are also trying to set for the backrest. Right now, what we are trying to do is to finish the bottom first as we head to the top. Yeah, you can see what he's trying to do right there. Yeah, now that one helps with support for the mesh one. We also make sure that all the joints are properly welded, because if that does not happen, then with some time it will develop some breakages. So this is something that we always try to avoid. Yeah, so this is as you can see, it's trying to weld. Now that's the bottom part of the chair. So we have to weld several of these so that the chair is strong enough. Yeah, that's what you can see us doing right now from there. Now please, I kindly urge you guys to subscribe to my channel. We have decided to also to upload the long form content, because most of the time we are uploading shorts, and we'd also like you guys to share it so that for more outreach. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how we managed to weld the 6mm all round. So right now, as you can see, what is happening, he's now on the backrest.